Okay, I have a Falcon 5-pin mortise cylinder. Move the lights up. And I wanted to do this one because I did the Falcon KiK in the last video, and LockHack just did this same lock with basically the same bitting that I have, so I thought it'd be fun to do that as well. I'm also changing the audio setup a little bit, replace 2 of the cables and move the mic around in different things, so just a little bit more experimenting to see. Anyways, 5 pins, all standard pins, and let's get to picking. So, picking. I know pin 1 is a low set, so actually, let's see. Where am I? Alright, pin 1, pin 2. Click from 2. Where's 3? There's 3. Click from 3. Is that 4? Can I get under 4? Come on. Click from 4. 5. And we're open. Okay, so it's just 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 I don't think lifted at all. And 5 was only a tiny lift. Anyways, let's continue. And how do I do this? This is the part that I need to figure out. We'll zoom out. We'll put on autofocus. Maybe move the camera down a little. And I got the light in the way. Alright, it's definitely going to take some getting used to. Let's gut it. Two screws. Follower. All standard pins. 1, 2. Oh, it's gunky inside. 3, 4, 5. This pin, oh man, it's all full of gunk. This lock, I don't know if these came in this box, but somebody sent me some locks in a box that they bought like lemon cake or something out of, and I store a bunch of these Falcon locks in there, and every time I pick them it smells delicious. It's really weird. They smell like this sweet lemon smell, and yeah, I love lemon cake, so it just smells great. Let's see what we got. Just standard springs. 5 normal springs. Nothing special on the core. And what do we do? Zoom in some more. There are pins. Look at me, look at me. Just standard pins, nothing special. Here's the core. Again, nothing special there. Oh my gosh, look how dirty my fingers are. I had clean hands before this, I promise. Anyways, Falcon 5-pin mortise cylinder. Thanks.